So in order to remove the offset from the Petrocosmea, so first of all, you remove out the pot, and then you look at the offset. You see that this leaf belongs to the one on the left and this one to the right. So just collect as many leaves as possible on that offset. See, you hold all of them, and you just give it a pull. See, it came off just like this. So this is the whole offset, and then you can pot it up. Yeah. So the key, you collect the leaf from one offset. So the next one will be, yeah. So you can see all the leaf right here. So belong to this plant, this offset. So just hold on it and then give it a pull. Can wiggle with a little bit, and it will come out clean. You can do the same thing with the part that the two against each other. But anyway, so that's how you do that.